This is where we stayed at. There's Mandalay Bay. The strip runs down that way. We're at the beginning of it on the south end of it. You look up through there, you see New York, MGM and all that. But right across Mandalay Bay by the McDonald's is this overflow lot. It is 100% free. We have talked to people that have stayed in here. Now the airport's right over there. I'm assuming you can see all that, but the airport's over there. You have the strip behind you. It is free to stay here. We've talked to people that have stayed here for 5 days, and we've talked to people that have come back to this place year after year. So, but it is the overflow for Mandalay Bay. And it's a big lot. They use this mainly when they're having a convention, which is across the street. They will use this lot right here. But they don't run nobody out. And the bus, you can get a bus ride. I think we paid $20 for a 3-day pass for the bus. And it picks you up right past the McDonald's, so that's all the farther you got to walk, and then you can run all the way down to Fremont and back up. Runs 24 hours. To give you another view, Mandalay Bay, McDonald's and everything's right over there. Right out front is the Vegas Strip. That's Vegas Boulevard. Across the street over there is Mandalay Bay Convention Center. I can't talk. And then right here you have this huge parking lot. And this parking lot is between Four Seasons Drive and I can't remember the name of that road over there. Dewey? I think it's Dewey. This is in between Dewey and Four Seasons Drive, but there's a lot of homeless in the area. They never bothered us first time, never knocked on our doors, never asked for nothing, but they're all living like back in there. There's I don't know, I don't know what they call them here. We call them culverts, but they're basically living in the culverts. So I did have to get water, and all I did was go to one of these little local motels and went in and asked them, and they said absolutely and didn't charge me, so I got water. But this is a big lot if you look. But it's Vegas with all the noise. But we got here, what did we stay? Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday. We stayed 5 nights here. Nobody bothers. Security rolls through every once in a while. They have a trash pickup comes around. They have trash cans.